Hi everyone. In the last lecture, we have covered how to install Java, that is JDK 8. In this lecture, we will see the installation of Eclipse IDE, and from now onwards, we will use this IDE for development. So you have to open Google Chrome, right? Then type Eclipse IDE download here. Eclipse IDE download here. You have to type, okay? And hit enter. So this is the official page. Click here and you will see the download page. This is what the download page now. If you scroll down, you will get an option to download Eclipse installer, right? Over here. You will see what? An option to download Eclipse installer 2022-09. So click on this download. Again, click on this download button and your downloading will start now. See here, your downloading is started here. So wait for some time, let it be downloaded completely. So once the download is completed, you will get this file. So you have to double click on this and then the installer will open. Okay, so installer is opening now. The Eclipse installer. Wait for some time. So you will get many options, but we have to select what? We have to select second one, that is Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developers. You have to click on this, then you will see this page. Okay, so let me explain bit about this page. So this ID is by default pointing to Java 17 JRE. It means what? Java with JVM 17, right? It is by default pointing to JVM 17. So you have an option to select the Java JVM. You can click on this. Okay, click here and we have multiple GREs here. But this Eclipse ID is what? By default providing you this three, 17, 18 and 19. It will internally download this GREs. Okay, it is having this address here, right? But it has not allowed us to select our GRE, that is 1.8 GRE 1.8. You can see here it is not what, it is not allowing me to click on this OK button. But no problem, no problem. Now when we will create a project, then we can point out to this GRE and we can do the development and we can do what, we can run we can run our application and we can do everything. We can point out to JDK and we can point out to GRE as well. No worries about that. Okay, so for now, just let it be pointing to GRE 17 itself. And this is what this is the installation folder path. You can change the path also. You can change the path also from here. Fine. Now click on the install and wait for complete installation. Yeah, here you have to accept their terms and condition agreement. So I have to click on accept now. Once installation will be done, you will get a shortcut on desktop also, because see, create desktop shortcut is tick mark here. So you will get a what, desktop shortcut also, and it will create a start menu entry also because it is also tick marked. So wait for some time. Once the installation will done, you will get one another button, that is launch button. So we have to click on that launch button. So see, once installation is done, you will get this launch button. Okay, so you have to click on this launch button now. So your Eclipse IDE will be launched automatically when you click on that launch button. Now see, your Eclipse IDE is now opening. Just wait. Okay, and see, the shortcut is also created here. Now click here. You can pin this to the taskbar also here. This ID, you can pin it to the taskbar like this, pin to taskbar. Fine. So see, what is this? This is the default workspace of Eclipse. That the name is Eclipse Workspace at the same location where your Eclipse got installed. Okay. For example, your Eclipse got installed where? C users Isha then slash Eclipse. Okay. One folder got created there. And this is the workspace, that is C users Isha Eclipse Workspace. Okay. So you can change the workspace also from here if you want. Okay. You can change. No worries. Then you have to click on this launch. Workspace is a place where your project will be stored locally and its metadata will be stored locally. Okay, that is what the workspace. So click on the launch. So once you click on the launch, see starting Eclipse IDE. So finally, this is the Eclipse ID. This is what welcome page. So you can cross this welcome page. This is no more needed. So this is what the interface of Eclipse IDE. So don't worry for now. In the next lectures, we are going to use this IDE. Then we will do a master on it. Okay, don't worry. So for example, as I have shown you that we are pointing to JRE 17, but we have installed JDK 8, that is Java 1.8, and we have installed JRE 8, right? JRE 8 is there as a part of JDK. So how can we point to the JDK 8 for our development, for the compilation process, for the execution process? How can we point out to JDK 8? So that all we will see in the further lectures. For now, just you should know how to install this IDE. That's all. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for further updates.